didn't say at the very beginning because that was our car. Don't see just add on the bill or something. Are you with me? Yeah. And to listen, no, but generally, as a rule, for after sales car, we don't charge it, we don't all the time do we, we have to pick our cars up anyway. You tell me, sometimes the customer drops it off, so we can't really say we're going to charge, you know. Because you sold the car, it's coming back, so you know it's part of the thing, it's service. Okay, don't see that's the green there, but yeah. Yeah. You might catch it,
Everything. Check out over 1,000 quality cars in group stock with savings of up to £2,000. Go online to click and collect the deal of a lifetime or visit us in Oldham, Atherton and now in Preston. hplmotors.co.uk.
Tuskers of Accrington is the destination to find your perfect sofa. A stunning showroom with top brands like